How to block all incoming calls without airplane mode on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can block all the incoming calls without blocking them on Android. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up the phone app. After that, simply tap on this settings option, and here you can see supplementary services. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. After that, hit the call forwarding and tap on allow. And here you can see video calls and voice calls. I'm just gonna tap on video call, and here you can see always forward. So here what you need to do is simply type in a fake number and tap on enable. You can set it on every of these. After that, whenever a person calls, that call will be forwarded to another number. So therefore, by following this method, you can block all incoming calls without using any airplane mode on Android. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.